Hi, this is Charlie Zeiss with Only PVC Pyramids. I'm heading off to North Carolina to attend the Illuminate Expo tomorrow. But before I left, I wanted to get this video out. I've been waiting to try enhancements to the pyramid, such as the one we're going to talk about today, namely crystalline sand, because I really wasn't comfortable with putting that additional weight into my old connectors, and knowing that the difficulties that people had keeping those connectors intact without the additional weight that the sand would provide. However, now that we have come up with the new corner assembly, I've tested this out. It works fantastic, and you can do this yourself going forward with these new connectors. For those of you with the old connectors, it's still going to work, but you're going to need to most likely put several layers of tape on the bottom connections so that the pieces don't come apart, and or consider gluing together your base pieces to give it the additional reinforcement necessary. But what I wanted to show you today, this is a very simple process. We've tested it, as I say. We're going to be doing demonstrations of this with the Lecher antenna. It just blows me away when I sit inside this thing now. And we're also going to be getting some testimonials about this that I hope to put up next week after the expo. So look forward to all of that. But this again is just to show you how to do this. We may offer this as an option going forward. It's kind of a heavy item to be shipping. But I think once you see this, most of you will decide that you want to do this for your own. So it's going to be real quick and short, but I'll show you how to fill up your pipes, and we'll be back in a moment. Okay, this is a pretty simple exercise. I've just taken a piece of scrap pipe that I had laying around the house in the shop, and I wanted to show you what you're going to want to go get are number 8 corks. These are easily obtainable at the hardware store, or if you want to buy them in bulk, it may be easier for you to go on Amazon and do that. I think they have 15 packs, which would be enough for one pyramid, or I'm buying them in hundreds now. They're really not expensive at all. But the only thing that you really need to know to do is put this in. I've got a rubber hammer, and I'm just going to put this on top of well, I'll do it right here in front of the camera. All you have to do is pound that in, and that's never going to come out. So that's all you need to do for your base pieces. Now with the vertical pieces, I'm going to move the camera down here so you can watch this. But you're going to need to push this cork in just a little bit further for the vertical pieces when you put in your internal coupling. So all you do once you've got the cork inside is to go ahead and push that down as well. So now you've got a cork in the bottom of the piece of pipe. The next step, I use a funnel, and I put the funnel in as so. Now I have a measuring cup here that I filled with sand. I fill it up. Now it's filled now, so I tap it down a little bit, make sure I've got it as full as I can, and then I'm going to pour the balance over the sink here back into the measuring cup. Then all I do is take another cork, pound it down in, and you're all set to go. That's all there is to it. You will find that this is just an amazing enhancement to your pyramid. The sand that I'm using right now is called aqua quartz. I've got a picture of it up now. I'm sure there are other sands. I hear that, for example, the sand from Sarasota Beach, Florida, is maybe the best sand on the planet for this. But for now, this is what I'm using, and I look forward to finding out people who have some other perhaps better sand products to be using. But this is highly crystalline, and it makes an enormous amount of difference in your pyramid. So that's all there is to it. You have a great day. Thanks for watching. And as always, please tell your friends about Only PVC Pyramids. Have a great day.